What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to give you some tips, two of them specifically, for beginners and TIG welding. Two things that you want to be very conscious about and work on right out of the gate. Okay, so the first tip is, regardless of what you're welding on, whether it be some pipe or some plate or whatever you're working on, in the beginning stages of this, you're naturally, without even thinking about it, you're going to squeeze the life out of this thing. It's going to make your arm tense, you're going to get shaky. It's just going to cause you a lot of problems. So you need to be very conscious of that, be aware of it, and 99% of people do this when they first start TIG welding. They're going to squeeze the life out of this thing. Tip number two, whatever you're working on, and specifically when you start working on pipe, this is going to be something that a lot of people struggle with, and it's going to be slipping off the pipe, because especially if you've got a nice polished piece, you're going to get on this thing and you're going to be walking the cup, and a lot of times you're going to be either jabbing this thing really hard and you're going to be slipping off of it, or you're going to be putting too light of pressure on it and you're going to be poking your tungsten into it and just sliding around everywhere. So with that being said, you want to find a good, constant, straight into the pipe kind of pressure. You'll find that happy spot to where your cup is pointing or pushing straight into that piece of pipe, and it's not pushing forward and it's not pushing downward to where you're going to be jabbing your tungsten into this piece of pipe. So with those two tips, don't squeeze the life out of your TIG rig. Second tip being, keep good steady pressure on your cup so that it's not slipping around and going all over the pipe. Hope that helps.